What's up, you guys? Got a quick one for you. Getting ready to install this tunnel brace from 034. See how nice it looks. Nice powder coat. I like their stuff because they pay a lot of attention to detail, and you can see that they machined all this out. I'm guessing to save weight, but they left this to keep strength. You can see how thick it is too. So basically this lowers this center part right here, because you see I have the X pipe installed, and when you put an aftermarket exhaust on these, it's usually a thicker, or well, a wider, bigger pipe, bigger diameter, so it touches this or gets close to it, and you can see mine is like pretty close. So sometimes it's actually rubbing on that, and it'll kind of vibrate in the car. When I got this Gibson put in, the shop, they had put these little rubber isolators in here. It looks like they came out from you know, just regular driving or whatever. They had put some rubber isolators on there, so they came out. So I finally went ahead and got the 034, because you can see it has a drop down right there, so it'll take it away from this, so I actually come down right here for clearance. And then you can see how thick this is compared to this thin stamped metal one. So this is going to add some chases, some strength to the chases, some chases rigidity, which will probably help with handling and everything. So gonna get ready to install this, and then we'll go from there, see how everything looks. All right, you guys, hopefully I got you guys set up. You guys can see everything. My little janky camera set up. All right, first you're gonna want to take a flathead. There's these little plastic, I forget the name of them right here, but you just take a flathead, put it in there, pull it back, and that comes out. Then you take a 10 mil socket, and you're gonna loosen these right here, and that's all I took out. And then you use a 10 mil triple square for these bolts right here, and there's 8 of them. There's these 2 back here that I used the wrench, and I just used that, and I was able to get them out. Hopefully that's in the shot. If not, I'll show you guys when I get everything back on. And then the rest is pretty easy. I already got these loose, so just need to take them out. Hopefully my head isn't in the way. That's it, slides right out. And you can see this one compared to the 034. You see how thin that is. Alright, so we're just gonna slide the 034 bracket in. And then we're gonna reuse the old hardware. Almost look like this is not lining up. Yes, it is. This go the other one? Make sure I have this right. Because there's these 2 threaded holes right here that this hardware came with, that you're going to use that to replace 2 of these to hold that up. So it looks like, make sure the holes are lining up. Yeah, looks like that's it. Yeah, those holes don't line up the other way, so it goes this way. So I'm gonna take a triple square, put some of these back in. Just put them in loose so we can make sure everything's lined up. Just want to use that was kind of stripped, so I want that one on the outside. There's some adjustments, so what I'm gonna do, this is a 4mm hex, and just gonna take this so everything lines up. I'm gonna put this in loose. Then I'm gonna tighten 2 of them and then take those back out so I can get the other ones in. Hopefully my head isn't all in the way. Alright, looks like right in the middle. Right there is about even. So I got everything lined up. Just gonna tighten these. And you can see that, so I just noticed that, so I can kind of move this over this way. Just so I make sure I got it clearance right. I think that's all the way. Yeah, so I'm gonna come all the way over this way on mine, but because that's where my exhaust is centered. Tighten these. Right, so you can take these back out now. I'll take these gloves off. I don't really need them. It's making it harder to grab stuff. hand first. The other side. That's all of them tight. I'm going to go over all of them again just to make sure they're right. Make sure they're all tight and even. All right, we can put our 10 mils back on by hand. I'm gonna take these, put these back on. Give you a lot of clearance. And these just need to be tight enough to, you know, make sure they don't vibrate out or anything. Then you got these left, so I took 3 of them out because I took out one back here. 2 of these are replaced with these, so only one will go back, which is the one I took out back here, so I could drop it lower. If I can get this damn thing back in there. There you go. Just press that back in. And that's it, y'all. So everything looks. So you see the 034 is facing forward. You can see all the room that I have now. Whereas before it was like touching, you could see that it was rubbing on it right there. Right there, I don't know if you can see it. You can see it now. But anyway, that's it, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Nice looking part, but it's under the car. But Take some peace of mind knowing it's under there, then it's stronger, so everything should be good. All right, hope you guys enjoying all the sales, time off with your family and everything. I will see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.